Welcome back to Miss Anita's phonics class. If you're new here, this is a place for you to learn your letter sounds and also learn to read using those letter sounds. This is lesson 16 and let's get started. Today we are thinking about a new sound. But before I introduce the sound, I have some pictures for you here which can help you to work out this sound. They'll give you a hint, alright? So, I am going to place a picture here. If you know it, say it out loud, alright? This is our first picture, okay? This is our second picture. We use two of them. Okay. I wonder if you can name those objects. And sorry. Let me create space for the last one. And this is the last one. What do we have here? Can you name this and that? Yes, you are right. We have rabbit, robot, rain. What is the same about these words? Rabbit, robot, rain. You are right. They all start with the same sound. I wonder if you can hear that same sound about these pictures. Rabbit, robot, rain. Yes, you are right. All these pictures start with the sound R. R sound is written like this. Letter R makes the sound R. R. Let's practice saying R together. My turn, your turn, okay? Alright, ready? My turn, R. Your turn. My turn, R. Your turn. Excellent, good job. Now, I'd like you to say R 3 times to the person next to you. Ready? I'll speak to my learning buddy. Let's go. R. 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 Well done. Good job, boys and girls. Now that we can hear R sound in spoken words like rabbit, robot, rain, can you think of some words that start with R sound? Pause the video and I'll have a think as well. Yes, I've thought of 3 words. I am going to sound them out and you're going to blend them together so that we can work out the words, okay? Let's go. The first one is rug. Rug, you're right, rug. Excellent. The next one is rat. Rat. Good job. Good learning skills, boys and girls. And the last one is rip. Rip. Excellent. Good job, boys and girls. You are working really, really hard. You know, you can hear R sound in spoken words. You can think of words that have R sound in them. You can recognize R sound when it's written down. Now, let's have a go at writing R sound. We shall start off with glitter, but feel free to use anything you have at home. It can be rice, sugar, salt, sand, beans, rice, paint, anything that you have. Now pause the video to go and get yourself something that you can use. Alright? Okay. Ready? So I'll have my turn first and then you'll go after me. Okay. For R sound, we go down the stick, up the stick, and over. Alright? Your turn. My turn again. Down the stick, up, and over. R. Okay? Last one. Down the stick, up the stick, over. R. Good job. Well done, boys and girls. Excellent. Now get your whiteboards and markers or get your pencil and paper so that you can write down R sound with me. I'll go first and you have your turn as well. Okay, so we go down the stick, up the stick, and over. Notice that when I'm going back up the stick, I don't go all the way to the top. Alright? Have your turn as well. Good job. My turn again. Down the stick, up the stick, and over. Well done. Now, I'd like you to write R 3 times on your whiteboard or in your book as you say it. Ready? I'm going to draw a small line for me here. Okay, you should do that as well if you're not using a lined paper. So, we go down the stick, up the stick, and over. We go down the stick, up the stick, and over. Excellent. Down the stick, up the stick, and over. Good job. Okay. We know that actions can help us to remember our letter sounds. For R sound, pretend to be a lion about to make a big roar. Hold out your hands and say roar, roar. Let's do this together. Roar, roar, roar. Well done. Good job, boys and girls. You are doing a fantastic job. Now let's have a go at reading words with R sound. Alright, let's read some words with R sound. Okay? Remember, we sound out the letters and then blend them together to work out the words. Okay? Ready? Let's go. Okay, my turn to sound out and you'll have your turn as well. Okay. R, E. Your turn. Excellent. My turn to blend. Remember, we blend the slow way first and the fast way after. Okay? Rip, rip, rip. Your turn to blend. Excellent. Good job. Well done. Okay. Next one is Yesterday we learned the middle sound, so we should be able to say it. Let's go. My turn first. R, G. Your turn. Excellent. My turn to blend. Rug, rug, rug. Your turn to blend. Slower first. Did you read it? Excellent. Well done. Okay, Joe. Now, this one is a little bit tricky, but we shall be able to work it out. Okay? My turn to sound out k, a, r. Boys and girls, even if there are two of them standing together, they still make r sound. When R and R are together, they still make the same sound. Okay? So let's go. K, a, r, o, t. Your turn to sound out. Alright, my turn to blend. The slow way first. Carrot. 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 Your turn to blend. Excellent. Well done. Good job. Boys and girls, you are working really hard. Now, this is your challenge. You are going to sound out and then the letters together on your own. I'll do the pointing for you. Ready? Your turn to blend. Slow way first. First way. Did you read it? Did you read the word rat? And let's do it together. Well done. Let's do it together as well. Okay, sounding out together. R-A-T. Blending. Slow way first. Rat. First way. Rat. Rat. I saw a big rat. Excellent. Well done, boys and girls. You've worked really hard in today's lesson on R sound. Remember, there are lots of phonics videos on this channel. Please check them out to catch up. And if you're new here, please subscribe and click the bell so that you get notified whenever a new lesson is uploaded. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye!